avian flu tests.
We'll just do 2 out of that crate.
I'll take that to the car.
Yeah.
Not escaping. Yeah.
It's already happened today twice.
Good morning, guys. It's Brad here. Hey, today we're at the Dickson County, Tennessee Fair, and we're at the poultry auction, judging and auction. So there's a show. There's some judging. We'll get some ribbons passed out to the kids, the 4-H kids, and then they'll auction them off. I think we're in the right place. Zaxby's got their big chicken here. So we saw just a second ago, we started with they're testing the birds for avian flu as they come in. So we'll see what else is going on. It's early today, not much going on. There's Tennessee National Guard's got an MRAP here. There's Scarletto and her chickens. She's what are you, number 38? Okay.
We live over on Hummingbird Lane over.
Asian carp and the zebra mussels. Big fella.
Oh, okay. As a salad club, so everybody works.
So there's a kids contest, fairest of the fair, and they're getting ready for that now. It's a little parade with you come in costume and hold your chicken. And it's funny. Stella won one time.
So we got Blakely with Gertrude. Yeah, just go ahead and walk around. We have Anna Lee with Fred. Oh, with Donald Clark. Sorry, thank you. Then we have, Blakely, just keep walking. Then we have Anna Lee with Big Bird Little Bird. Scarlett with Polly. Emily with Dalmatian. Adrian with Casper.
Fairest of the fowl.
So the fairest of the fowl chicks that the kids use with our what numbers are back there? Please come to your pen. Brown Leghorn Youth.
They'll all cause trouble, they're labeled.
Good job, girls. About 5 minutes away. She's got about 31 or 32 numbers handed out for bidders, so good crowd. That's a good average crowd. She said we usually have high 20s or 30s.
$18, $10, got 11, that's what I'm putting out of 13, out of 13. $13 now, 13 now, 14 now, 15. Now 15, now 16, now 17, now 17, now 17. Come on now, $17. You know you need $17. Let's go, 17. Anybody over here, 17? $16 your way. On 11. Yeah. 22, now 3, 23, now 23, now 4. Thank you, $24, now 24, now 5, 25, now 25. Hey, who give me $25 a piece? 25 a piece now. Let's go. 25, 25, $24 your way. On number 12, $24 on number.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, so I know that they are.
1, now 2, 22, now 3, now 4, 24, now 5, 25, now 6, 26, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 8, 28, now 9, 29, now 6. Now 6. 36, where you at? 36? Now 7. 37, the last count, 37. You didn't like me once, 37? So $36 on 21, $36 on 22. Now 4, 34, now 5. Thank you, $35, now 6. 36.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, 32, 33, 32, 34, 34, 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 50, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54, 54, 54, everybody 55, 55, 55, everybody 56, 56, everybody 56, 56, 57, 57, everybody 57, 57, 57, come on now, 57, 57, 60, can I get a 61? 62, 62, anybody 63, 62, 62, 62, anybody 63, 63, 63, anybody now 4, $64, 64, can I get a 65, 65, 65, anybody 66, 66, anybody 66, 66, come on now, $66, 66, can I get a 66, and sold for $65, 18, 44, 40, 50, can I get a 51, 51, 50, that I raised? It's the premium one-timer grand champion chickens that sits in this cage. They're laying beautiful eggs, nice and brown eggs. Dickson County Amberlink grand champions right here, folks. I want to give a shout out to Mountain Healthy Hatchery for such great birds this year.
What would I start about? 80!
81, 81, 81, everybody 81, 81, can I get 81, 81, everybody 81, 81, everybody 81, 81, 81, anybody 81, 81, come on now, 81, 81, everybody 81, 81, anybody 81, 81, 81, 81, everybody.
Champions now.
Come on now, folks, the premium Dickson County Grand Champion. $81, 81, 81, 81, everybody 81, 81. Anybody in 81, 81, anybody 81, 81, anybody in 81, 81. Can I get an 81, 81, anybody in 81? $81?
We can't get 81.
We gotta get ourselves some $81 chickens. Sold for $80.
Lacey said the prices were extremely high, so thank everybody who came out, and we'll see everybody again next year. Thank y'all very much.